404 is brand new for us. It's the first time we've introduced a product for the installation market. We've had a lot of requests from consultants and integrators over the years to come up with a product like this. But it was important for us that it was a simple product to use, but equally it needed to do the job. So unlike some other audio distribution systems where you have this kind of Lego building block approach to setting it up, if you know a mixing console, you'll be able to set this up effortlessly. It's very straightforward to use. The great thing about it though, it has the DiGiCo label on it, so you know you're getting pristine 24-bit 96K audio quality. So it's a fantastic sort of hub for a system. We've talked about the local I/O already. The remote I/O, you have 3 boxes. So you have a deployable 16-in 4-out stage rack. You have 2 wall mount panels, one with LCD displays and one without, and that's 16-in 4-out. And then they connect to the main processing unit over audio over IP. In terms of the I/O, obviously it's got a lot of I/O capabilities. Obviously the important thing is you've got control as well, and we've got hardware control, we've got software control. So we have some administration software that runs on a Mac and on a PC, and then you can set up the entire system from that. And then the hardware control, we have 3 controllers, Control 1, Control 6 and Control 8. And they can be, the Control 1 in particular can be wall mounted, and the Control 6 to Control 8 are desktop mounted. I mean, the response we've had at this show has been amazing. And it's funny, when you first brought it out, I'm a console guy. When you first brought it out, I didn't quite get my head around it. Now that I'm seeing the response from the consultants and the integrators, I know we've got something special here. So I'm very pleased with it, very pleased.